Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make crab boil sauce. First, gather your ingredients to ensure a smooth cooking process. We'll cover the essential components that give the sauce its signature kick and depth. You'll learn how to combine these elements for a truly delicious base, perfect for any seafood. This guide simplifies the process, making it accessible for everyone to enjoy. To begin, you'll need 1 stick of unsalted butter, which is about 4 ounces, as the base for richness. Next, prepare 2 tablespoons of your favorite Cajun seasoning to provide that classic spicy flavor. Don't forget 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice for a bright, tangy counterpoint. Also, have 1 tablespoon of minced garlic ready, along with a ½ teaspoon of black pepper. Start by melting 1 stick of unsalted butter in a saucepan over medium heat until it's fully liquid. Once melted, add your 2 tablespoons of Cajun seasoning, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, and a ½ teaspoon of black pepper. Stir these ingredients well to combine. Finally, pour in 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice and let the mixture simmer gently for 5 to 7 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Once your crab boil sauce is ready, immediately pour it warm over your freshly cooked crab, shrimp, or other seafood. The rich, aromatic sauce will coat everything perfectly, enhancing every bite. Garnish with some fresh chopped parsley for a touch of color and a hint of herbaceousness. This sauce is perfect for any seafood feast. Also, for all you book lovers, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.